Namaskar, myself Dr. Suprit welcomes you all in the daily weather briefing of India Meteorological Department. Today date is 3rd January and we'll start with the weather observed in past 24 hours. Cold day conditions were observed in isolated pockets of Bihar, and for fog, so very dense fog was observed where visibility was less than 50 meter, reported in isolated pockets of Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab, Chandigarh, East Madhya Pradesh. Also dense fog where visibility was from 50 meters to 200 meters were observed in some pockets of West Bengal. Today highlights wettest spell over western Himalayan region is expected till 7th and over plains of northwest India on 5th and 6th January. Also isolated heavy rainfall or snowfall is also very likely over Jammu and Kashmir on 4th and 5th January. Then dense fog and cold day conditions likely to continue over some parts of northwest and central India during next 2 days and then improve thereafter. Now we'll see the synoptic system. So the western disturbance as a cyclonic circulation over east part of Iran and neighborhood persists today and now seen between levels 3.1 to 9.4 km above mean sea level. Then subtropical westerly jet stream with core winds of the order up to 120 km at 12.6 km above mean sea level is prevailing over North India. Now we'll see the observed minimum temperatures. So minimum temperatures were below 0 degrees centigrade over many parts of Jammu, Kashmir and Ladakh, from 0 to 11 degrees centigrade over many parts of northwest India, then 9 to 14 degrees centigrade over many parts of central and east India, and 15 to 20 degrees centigrade over many parts of the west India. And today's lowest minimum temperature of 4.4 degrees centigrade is reported at Naugong, which is in East Madhya Pradesh, over the plains of the country. Minimum temperatures were also appreciably below normal, minus 3 degrees centigrade to 5 degrees centigrade at isolated places over East Madhya Pradesh and Vidarbha, and minimum temperatures were below normal 1 degrees centigrade to 3 degrees centigrade at many places over North India Karnataka, at a few places over Gangetic West Bengal and Telangana, at isolated places over East Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and Chhattisgarh, and near normal over rest part of the country. Now we'll see the forecast of temperature for next 5 days. So gradual rise in minimum temperatures by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade is likely over northwest India during next 4 days and then fall thereafter by 2 to 4 degrees centigrade. Then there is no significant change is forecasted in minimum temperatures over central India during next 24 hours and then rise by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade for subsequent 2 to 3 days. Then no significant change in minimum temperatures likely over West India during next 5 days except Gujarat, where next day 4th and 5th there is a fall by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade from day 3 to day 5, and then there is no significant change in minimum temperatures likely over central India during next 5 days. Now we'll see the subdivision wise weather warning for day 1, that is the 3rd January. So a very dense fog at isolated places is forecasted over Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh along with cold day conditions. Then dense fog where visibility is 50 to 200 meter is forecasted over Himachal Pradesh, Bihar and then Madhya Pradesh and Odisha and Assam and Meghalaya. Then cold wave conditions are forecasted over North India Karnataka and Telangana. If you see the day 2, then heavy rainfall or snowfall warning is given for Jammu and Kashmir region along with dense fog warning in Bihar and eastern Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh along with cold day warning in Uttar Pradesh, and then cold wave warning continues in Telangana and North India Karnataka. For day 3, heavy rainfall warning or snowfall warning continues over Jammu and Kashmir region. Then a thunderstorm warning is given for Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand and Punjab for day 3, that is 5th, along with dense fog warning at isolated places over Assam and Meghalaya. And if you see day 4, thunderstorm warning is continued for Punjab, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand. If you see day 5th to day 7, that is 7th to 9th, dense fog warning at isolated places is given for Uttar Pradesh all these 3 days. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. For detailed information, you can log into our website mausam.gov.in. Also, you can subscribe and follow our social media handle. Thank you. Dhanyawad. Jai Hind.